Well, I finally did it. I bought a Ferrari. And not just any Ferrari. I bought the cheapest Ferrari F355 Spider on the internet. And here it is. Welcome to the Garage USA. This is a Ferrari F355 Spider by Hot Wheels. I paid $1.75 for the car and $3.50 to ship it to my house, bringing the total cost to $5.25. You may think that I'm copying another YouTuber's clickbait style title on this video, and you'd be right. And the reason is that I plan to customize this Ferrari to look like that person's real Ferrari. I hope you enjoy.
So the first thing you want to do is drill out these posts so we can get this separated. Okay, once you get these drilled out, this comes right apart. You take the base off, take the interior out, take the windshield out, and then this is ready to be prepped for paint. Alright, just got to hit that with some paint stripper, let that sit for about 5 or 10 minutes, and then I'll go ahead and rinse it. Now that it's been sanded, this car is ready for some paint. So I'll be using this flat black paint. And of course I'll be using this handle. So while the paint is drying on the Ferrari, I will focus my attention to the interior. And for this, I will be using the Model Master enamel paint, and the color is leather. Alright, so I've taped off the sections that I want to keep black, and then the rest I will hit with the paint. Now while the interior is drying, I'll go ahead and paint the center caps on this. And I'm just using some Testors yellow paint to do this. So the first attempt at painting this, the paint ended up all lumpy and blotchy and weird, and so I ended up taking it back down to the metal, shooting it again. The paint did look a little better. Then I went and shot it with some clear enamel. And there was a mistake. I don't know if you caught that, so I'll play that back so you can hear that. Some clear enamel, and right there. Yes, I did use flat enamel paint for the color, but I used a lacquer clear coat finish, and you know, in this lighting it doesn't really show how badly it destroyed it, but it did have a reaction to the paint. And so let me take it outside in the sunlight and show you what a lacquer finish, or a lacquer clear coat, will do to enamel paint. So here's a better look at it and what the lacquer clear did when it reacted to the enamel color. So what I need to do now is hit it with some paint stripper again and start the process over. Spray it with some enamel and then shoot it with some clear enamel. And we'll take a look at that after I'm done doing that. It's a little overcast today, but you can tell that came out really nice. And now I just got to put it together. Alright, so I'll start by putting the windshield in, followed by the interior, and then we just need to put the base on. If you have any suggestions or anything you'd like to share, go ahead and leave a comment below. If you have any questions or would like to contact me, send me an email at thegaraageusa@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching. And for the collectors out there that are upset that I destroyed a collectible car, don't worry, I actually have another Ferrari just like it, brand new in the package. It's a very nice car. And I think I might paint this one red.